Gusii.
Wiyake gima omwanchi omurigereria bwigetaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabona maragoba asenero beire bwikirano kweneke mnango koletrande amangana magia naberika wateka kora chingongo chansi inyechense asense mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bakwenda gutobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bakwenda gwetera www.ndizitv.net ireterane Fridah Kerubo nolya kweneke buna chibi channel yogiria gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere sara mumanyi astinse mo chebiarkele nigotoko bwatenere Lydia Mose toskatonyegera kwetana ndasege keke Kerubosio elinde ngomanya mange asenchira yobikirano. Mwanchi omurigereria yango kwarigani bene ilinde tobeto gusanga asobwamo bochaka bono iga goika omoelio Amayia yebire bigani gotoko yachaka kora sorgongo rwa Gusii ase tokumurikira magega yokonyora amaigerio yokoba omontreba ase kulinde mirimo yabetege kubora nigo James Muriasi oyokorwa ase nsemeri ya kitutu cha South abetega kwimukia egetambukiro nabo igo gutwara obumanyi bokorosia ebyoma ilinde kweneke mnanko egendereria asobwima bwaye okwana korase kenyoro gia masosa nigo James abereka gosemia abasaye kweneke mnango etanga bare korwa asobutumeki bw'ebinyego byo gutindia na koriga chinchira cyoko egendereria gwetera kwelika muri kito job maangi no robotira sinchira yobukirano
Omubaro bw'abantu nigo gendretse gukina kubwa amabaga yemeremo imense icyo Kenya asa abantu abange bagendretse kwemurunganeria okoboro kwemeremo engana ya ireire abasaye abange weswanania ase obusalia naboigo amarua atancheiri asekolende James Titus Moriasi oyore omoiboro gwegesa county ya Kisii ogokora emeremo ya maboko ase akorose chichuma ensemo area ya masosa nigo are ekiorokererio ekiya
roba naro chindali chugo tingolege tare naro se chigo atimete naro se chigo chonga ji amagena ya gidawa enjere ngabune
Manga yogokora chisemi nigo abeteka kwegerigwa emeremeye na ise kolende asengencho yomukyoye niga abeteka kwegwa libaga lya bene nere gokora emeremo ejo
endenga changaranga tinkona koganye kyariki kwalule obwagase bondoraba koikoko nyore egari oboro no montebore orara rundire chigari ase jibara ase myaka getega ende ana okorusio bwoba kinyardo na kobanyarende amangana ngo na ngaro tingo na kobaido tigo musambundise gasi ngacha omusaka nya kumbulise gasi akayambundisa ngo makoyomo karambundisa ngo makoyomo ya egasingana na amanyire
ekero twakora etaro ya bene na gusanganere ni gato erabuna akora emeremeye guchakira ase omuchakano ase agouta omorero oyu obago gutererwa nekibarabara goikira ase akorosi ebyuma ao
akana ikira workshop mambia ngongo nimbate workshop nimbate esto yana ngongo rusirige ne nyumba na rireta nalete machine yega kana iretira aigano motarondo asetimoke asenko yebe na ibeka na set na setri na kurire na set ni nyangeria na kerani tikiri bunjire sana tichi tichuma ngoro ka tiklam lakini ngotumia chi U-bolt chinga bunechi chinda ende kiange balance amagena ya murota magena na yakonga idelio muri nare tumurumuke nabeka nabegire naro tweti machine yo morori boka warumne chume ya beta etaka kusunyundo nero ngo nyarosinde ekiro baye gutugura maga ngorosinde bakenyundo ekiro hame kurusime kumali
natero nigemeremo ye ekomokonya konyora omugati okera rituko naboiga yamokonyire kwegendereria ansi ubugima bwaye wikira bono asi abwate enka
bajanga guraga pikipiki akamo akana ko korundiwa no muragete kase ni anena ete kurwabo nkarakomekera njiba zambaka ngajanganyora nabeire kasi yane andende sana so bwenye tetageti ndikiri tetageti mangana yo bolebi tetageti mangana yesabu
obwege no bwaye no gukora emirimo yaye asomukia negati amangana irere gutwara abateja abange abo banchete emirimo agokora
tebi bintu binembe andumbere bakorusa Nairobi lakini oborosi ngubwetu bore oborosi ejirangoro sirindu biyane asenkero sekinkebete ekegotagana koirwa kelikero sirigo senkoro Nairobi byatigo
nasemia basaguyatana na namarua atanchiri nebintu bitari ebironge
semende ya muraba bakona koba aido bakona koroita abako meru mumuro amo sa muraba to bakore form 4 bakore school nyoli certificate chiabo basore college basokire certificate cyo koliki gas chiaborire yango bayini college datinga karamo anyore certificate chirine chi makora mangana ye chikosi mbalimbali chime bundisiri ko chikora jimbalimbali no basako baido so kase chicho abantu bachu akali welding into bwate noni nche gasiyane ninte keiro muntu numubundise esengenje myakere mutinde chikanyigandira chingurungo chiro yo toerera
engana yabage kwegwa esegeto no mokoli emiremo bagokora nere emiremo
abatebi batige egasi yo kurusi ibintu byabande batwara umukibwa gukora egasi y'amaboko abanya sana rakuba bwatesia banyora babairobya
egati amakungu bagwetera no kuborogwe chichuma asense mu bakorera nigo bagotwero nimbura nagwo no mugaso asengencho batabwati ase bagwekenga
nde material se kobora ama otoka na material se toka nto chikuligiara ono bangani mbori na tarto no rebase tora kitukunye beka na kitukunye baga karwa kwa mirimo na kwa nyamina no begete gendokia osumere tokalia osumere gutuma bwa osumere sukuma yao
narwa ugusaba gukiase serikali kubasira erinde kwegendereria ase amagima abo
sito yacu akali emishado tome tonyore ebilons tonyore chibesa chisaine tukugora material mtwaba bakitogo chaka tore material tonyore nende kalita material kujana capital isaine togole chichuma tufundisha abatukufundisha banyore chingura cyo chikororo bachikwagendereri
emirimo nemirimo osemi nigo bono kwabere gokurwego gokia ase abasaye nabantu bonsi gotachora mirimo endeyonzi kolende gokora mirimo endeyonzi eyuera abage konekinga nkwenyorera bare umugati okera lituko kurwa asensemo ya masosa gotoka ime ye ward ya Kitutu Chache Central ime ye bunge Kitutu Chache South ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbiamano sana omurikito Joma angi asogotwariganiria oroboti orwasenchira iyo bwikirano kosika mutu asoroboti ronde nigongo kumanya buna ababwatani kurase kyombe gya KMPDU nigo baburire serikali bwikirania ale babete bagwanchana ase CBA yo mwaka w'ikirube na 2022 rinda kwaneke buna abakenya bairanire obukoleri bwabo nonyana bo nigo bagendete komochia serikali asogotigia abanyagitari emirimo likali gosonsora emechando eyigendeta kwanekigwa ase wizara y'obuchenu okwana kurase county ya Uasin Gishu nigo batuguterare omoroberio o universal healthcare asbenike buna nigo bagendete no mugiro goika amagani yabo abereka goikiraniwa.
We're agitating all over the countries, and that's how I to accept terms that are derogatory. I keep on insisting on the CBA implementation. That CBA to any person who's coming in the workplace. These are the terms. Because SRC has refused to give a letter. Since the First World War,
Solidarity forever, for the union.
The lecturers and the doctors have all vowed not to go to any hospital, be it MTRH, be it clinical trainings, be it services in the private facilities across. They have said as doctors who are members of KMPDU, they're out. And this resolve cannot be deterred by any intimidations or any threats or any victimizations. Many of the doctors have been receiving showcause letters from different employers. But you are saying we are not going to be afraid of receiving them. You can send them as much as you want. You can suspend all the doctors who are home. You can fire all the doctors who are at home.
Fire us all.
But I must say, that will not change the resolve.
Yes.
We are in this as long as the government wants it to be.
Health coverage will not be achieved by public relations and mere rhetoric. It will take deliberate investment in healthcare. To the doctors of this country, the CBA, the collective bargaining agreement of 2017, ensures that we get quality doctors through quality trainings and quality remuneration. We are saying implement the CBA because that will be the hallmark of UHC. Because without doctors, there is no UHC.
Consider the internship a bare minimum. We are not even debating on internships. Internship, let them fix the problem they created, then we can start discussing the issues that we want sorted out in this current situation. And we really feel sorry for Kenyans because it's the government that has abandoned the Kenya.
Tinga kechio boigo nigo muraibekia magia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka abereka gwesoke bene na boigo komochia serikali ase ogotategerera ekerero kya panyagitari tinga kya bakenya bange bagendete gucandika asa abandi babiri bagusiria obugima bwabo kubwatikana n'umugiro oyibwa abanyagitari ogendete kwanekigwa asense ya Kenya. Kolende nigo abereka kubolia serikali kwaneke mnango tegera bali amaganyo y'abanyagitari na boigo koyekerania.
Madaktari na mgomo unaendelea ambao tunaonelea ukamilishwe, mambo haya yakamilike. We are losing so many Kenyans, and somebody somewhere should have a heart of flesh, not a heart of stone. When doctors go on strike, it's not a normal thing. And so we are urging that this matter be brought to a conclusion to stop the suffering of Kenyans, including the doctors themselves. And this has been on now for...
Hegati ya babunge kurasensemo ya Western nigo bamwegereire omuwaziri w'obuchenu Susan Nakuminja otigira abisi na boigo kogendera no bokoreri bwaye aniga gocha magagayo mubunge kurasensemeli ya Embakasi East Babowino kwayeneke bwango chelego ikya omoswada bosi bwebunge ase okumurusia bisi omuwaziri Nakuminja kolende nigo bayeneke bwana omugiro bw'abanyagitari nengana ebwenerete gererwa na serikali ya county na boigo serikali enene.
The member of parliament coming up with the motions of impeachment, we are not going to allow that. Let the government plan and see how sanity is going to be restored in the health department.
Just Google and see how much an intern is supposed to be paid. So even the MP who is lying to you that is going to bring an impeachment motion, I can tell you it is dead on arrival.
We know she's the only minister representing us in the national government. We want her to stay there and perform. No one should use the excuse of a strike. A strike is a labor issue, is a labor matter, and the labor matter is being resolved. Don't target Nahumicha using labor issues.
There's no way we are going to allow our fellow MPs to impeach her. So the impeachment idea and the motion is not there. It's just a funeral declaration.
We should not only throw stones at the CS. I think that labor issue has a place where the county government has to play its part and the national government has to play its part.
Kama ingekuwa kabila ingine wangekuwa hawaongei, lakini wakiona kitu ikikucha Western wanaanza kupiga mdomo kutafuta impeachment. Hiyo tunasema hatutaitaka na ishindwe na huyo mbunge ambaye anatafuta impeachment.
Unenjere Eyemo yogusira obutali asense ya Kenya nigo omwaziri Alfred Mutua ayenikire kubweterana ne serikali enene elinda koenekya buna chipara chabere chikorosigwa elinda koebolia gose korobya obokoreri asabatali barabe bagwikirana asichinsemo boigo kurasense meli ye county ya Kiambu nigo mugavana Kimani Omatangi ayenike buna nigo aberika gukinya ebirengo by'ikinyagitari ekyo kyaberege kwirira abantu kuraisiko wikirana asensemeyo na bigo konyora obokoleri bwabo.
Tuangalie vile tutaweza kushirikiana kuweza kuinua, pia tuone ya kwamba kuna mambo tofauti tunaweza fanya tukishirikiana, ndio watalii wakiwa kwa Nairobi wakifika tour agencies zijue kwamba there is a place you can take our people. Tuwapangie ndio wakija wawe na malazi, inakuwa part of the package. Wanachukuliwa kwa airport, wanaletwa hapa, wanalipwa malazi. It's already paid for in part of the bill of the hospital. Wanalala, wanaandika mtu hapa na wapikia. Shopping wanazunguka huko, wanamwaga pesa kwa mama mboga, wanaacha pesa zao kwa vijana wetu hustlers.
Sisi kwa upande wa matibabu hakuna kaunti nyingine ambaye inawasaidia watu mpaka kutoka nchi za ng'ambo. Hospitali yetu ya pale ya Kijabi hutibu watu kutoka nchi zote.
Manchi murigeria kurasa robotiruni na ikiromo elio wa mangana maya asebire biga kulinde toskato nyigara wira nanda segekeke Kerubo linde tobeto kumyanere Dr. Kena Mose sasitora beto gusanga amange magachi kamera soko ne kibna ebicha na bayigelio gira gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Momanya stense moche biarekele tobeto kubatanere Lydia Mose na incheria ne Fridah Kerubo yenda gutwara buligelio bya imegeta seni kya Ndizi TV.